Hello everyone and welcome to this new petit cooking video. Today we will show you how to make matcha pancakes. What is matcha? Well, it's a type of green tea, but in powder form. So this recipe is perfect if you're looking for a little boost of energy in the morning. To start, take your bowl and put in it 2 cups of white all-purpose flour. After that, add 2 teaspoons of matcha in powder form, a quarter cup of brown sugar. Mix the dry ingredients together to be sure that there are no lumps. When it's done, add 2 eggs to the mixture. Mix. While whisking, add 2.5 cups of almond milk. Whisk everything until it becomes homogeneous. The quantities of ingredients in this recipe will give you around 10 pancakes. When the pan is nice and hot, reduce the heat to medium-low. To make 1 pancake, take half of a ladle of the mixture and put it in the pan. Try to spread the mixture around in the pan. Cook it for 2 minutes, or until the outline of the pancake becomes a darker green than the middle. When one side is cooked, turn the pancake and let the other side cook for around 1 minute. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to our channel and leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. See you next time and bon appétit!